Yeah.
Alright lads, so when I did my video, when I was painting my brake calipers, I was in the garage and it was an absolute bomb site because I was doing like some movement and putting some new storage and stuff up. Since then I've had loads of requests for an update on the garage. When I say I've had loads of requests, I've had one person asked, and I didn't have an idea for a video today. So here we're going to have a look at the garage slash workshop slash storage dumping ground. So I think we'll get the boring bit out of the way first. So this side here is like the door that comes in from the utility, so it's got like cleaning and tumble dryers and fridge freezers and yada yada yada. We've still got some bits that need to go at the tip or in the bin or whatever. And then we've got the cleaning sort of area. So the hose pipe, which is currently over here, will be relocated to this side of the garage. And I do have some new shelves that match the other shelves to replace this little plastic thing with. So moving over boxes and sort of the wall storage, which has just got like all sorts of bits and bobs in. I don't even know what half the stuff is. So that is a propane canister. We've got some wire wheels, torch, brake paint, you know, just bits and bobs. And then the toolkit, we've got a few Makitas, new one that I like to keep nice and clean for in the house. That's when I'm pottering outside. Impact driver, which I could not find when we were doing the suspension on the Abarth, which was highly annoying, but since then it has turned up. And it has turned up in a box with another bunch of old drills, which all work, which is nice. Then we've got the toolbox, which has just got, as you'd expect, it's got tools in. Who would have guessed? You know, just usual tools. Load of like power tools and stuff in the bottom, jump leads, orbital sander, jigsaw, all that kind of stuff. So then moving over to the workbench, on the top we've just got all sorts of items, if you can call them. You know, it's crap, isn't it really? That's what it is, it's just crap. Screwdriver bits, ratchet. So these are the ones I was trying to use on the Abarth when I couldn't get the top of the strut off on the front. These are the ones I was trying to use, but they weren't deep enough. They're ratchet spanners, you know, just bits and bobs. And then chargers for the drills, spare batteries, new bits for the hose pipe, sockets, all that kind of stuff, nuts and bolts, screws, nails, drill bits. Underneath, more power tools. You've got drills, you've got sanders. That's the new, that one there, the big one. That's that new Makita set I got. If you haven't seen the video on that, go and check it out. I'll leave a link down below. It's a really good set, highly recommend it. Extension leads, clamps, blah blah blah. So the workbench is Von House. It's a nice workbench, really recommend it. And I did get all the shelving to match, so this is kind of the shelving area. So this is the shelf that was missing in the last video, so this is the one that was causing us all the bother. But it's just, again, it's just for general storage. More tools, kids, toys. Didn't even know, man. That looks fast. Whatever it is, it's a Celica. It looks fast. Take that 4-spoon one day. Another one of those wall thingies, and the other shelving unit is under there somewhere, which is going to replace the one that's currently holding all of the cleaning stuff. So you might have seen on previous videos, I like to use these when I'm working on the car. They're just like interlocking rubber mats, and they're quite good. You know, if you're working outside or working on a cold or a wet floor, they're good to nail on. So I'll put a few of these down here on the floor, just so when we're coming into this bit, you're not on the floor. But they're quite expensive. I think a pack of them is like 10 or 12 quid. Which, I know it's not expensive, but when you need loads to do the whole garage it is. That is a yoga mat. So that's at the bottom of the workbench. So I've covered the workbench with the nice thick spongy rubber. But that's a yoga mat that I got in Aldi for like £3, and I've just duct taped it down. And it's ideal. Winner, winner. And then dotted around the garage, you've just got random bits and bobs, crash helmet, you know, just in case things get a bit tasty. Some rubber mats, a few little cheeky zombie signs. I like them, they're nice. And these ones over here, so they're like metal, like American number plates. And my dad got us them in about 1995, I think it was. So I've had them ages. Pretty cool. And that's about it. All jokes aside, it is a video that I wanted to do just to give you an update on what I've been working on and why the garage was in such a state last time you seen it. It's always a work in progress, so I'm always moving stuff, changing stuff, and just trying to make it better. But this kind of area here, where the workbench and the toolbox is, it's ideal because I can just pull the car in, do what I need to do, chuck it out, and I've got everything to hand, everything's where I need it to be, and it's a lot more organised than it's ever been. So this might not be organised in some people's eyes, but to me this is like ridiculously organised. I know where everything is, pretty much. Did lose me impact driver, so, but it's turned up now. I found it. I can't find the bits for it though, so I need some impact driver bits, or I need to rake through some of these boxes and try and find it. But yeah, so when I am working on the car, when I'm working on someone else's car, whatever I'm doing, this is me arena, this is where I am. So I hope you found this video a little bit entertaining. I know it's a bit naff, but it is something that I want to do. I just want to show you what I've been working on. There's been a lot of hard work, believe it or not, just to get it to this stage. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.